I'm from Colombia. I'm part of a group that named Colombia Folklora. Is a Colombian foundation of dancing and music.
Tonight we're going to dance a representative dances from the Pacific region that is in the south in the country.
Hi everybody, I'm Harold, I'm from Cali, Colombia. We are so excited for being here. We really enjoy being in Serbia and we hope the people enjoy the dance. Okay, Colombia have around 5 regions. Today we have a Pacific region here. So we have a fun customs and really happy dance.
Dance from Krakow. Krakow was the first capital city of Poland. Of course, M is iconic, a symbol of Krakow.
So we dance like funny dance or moves from different regions from Slovakia. Have separate dances and then pair dances.
Ho, hey, ho, 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 hey.